the Great Blizzard of 1888, a snow-covered New York City, with people struggling through the blinding blizzard. In March 1888, New York City was brought to its knees by the Great Blizzard, one of the worst storms in the city's history. The snow fell relentlessly for 3 days, burying the city under 50 inches of snow. Streets became impassable, telegraph lines snapped, and the elevated trains ground to a halt. Over 200 people lost their lives in the storm. Yet, from this chaos, a new city emerged, one that would build its transportation underground, ensuring that never again would a storm cripple its progress. The blizzard, though brutal, was a catalyst for change, shaping the New York we know today.